My favorite subject is English. I like English because it is interesting and fun. I study English at school every day. My English teacher is very kind and helpful. She explains the lessons clearly and gives us many exercises to practice. In English class, we learn many things. We learn how to read stories, how to write sentences, and how to speak and listen. I enjoy reading short stories and learning new words. Sometimes we listen to songs or watch short videos in English. That makes learning more exciting. I like to speak English with my friends. We practice small conversations like, "Hello, how are you?" or "What are you doing today?" I also like to write in English. I write about my day, my family, or my hobbies. When I make mistakes, my teacher helps me correct them. English is an important subject because it is spoken in many countries. If I speak English well, I can talk to people from around the world. I can also watch movies and read books in English. I want to travel to other countries one day, and English will help me a lot. I always do my English homework and try to get good marks. I sometimes read English books at home or watch English videos online. I enjoy learning new words and using them in my speaking. In the future, I want to speak English fluently. I know it takes time and practice, but I will work hard. English is a beautiful language, and it is my favorite subject.